Hello, this is Zoltán Györfi with Lightware. Welcome to ISE 2023. We have a corporate and enterprise demonstration here at ISE. The first one is the Cisco Webex integration with Taurus, adding USB-C BioD capabilities with source expansion for the Webex call, plus BioD extension to have all the room peripherals like camera, microphone, speaker, and the display directly connected to the laptop. Plus we can do some room control and device synchronization like these two microphones. And the following demo is our Microsoft Teams rooms with Barco ClickShare integration. Here also the Taurus takes place with the USB-C and HDMI capabilities, switching USB peripherals between the Teams rooms to the Barco ClickShare. Once we press the Barco ClickShare button, we can take the peripherals, the camera, microphone and speaker from the Teams rooms, and now you can use it from the laptop connected with the ClickShare, and you can see the camera from the Poly Studio unit. And once you finish with the meeting, you can press the button again and we automatically switch back to Teams rooms. The next demo station is very similar like the Cisco system, but now this is with Zoom rooms. In here we can share the contact and select from multiple sources like USB-C, laptop far, laptop near and the room PC over the touch interface, over the Logitech tab. And now once you are joining to a meeting, you can press the room control button, and from the presentation selection you can select your sources to the Zoom call. But if you are not in a call, you can select your sources from the Bring Your Own Meeting section, and then this way we can switch the peripherals from the Zoom rooms to the laptop directly without the need of having the Zoom rooms. And our last demo is about our open API capabilities, meaning that any third-party company can integrate to our Lightware units. And Utology and TED both are partners of us, both working with monitoring solutions, and we demonstrate those two platforms for the monitoring. So they did it for Lightware. Thank you very much. This was Lightware. Welcome to ISE again, and please visit lightware.com.